Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's me, Uwa, your girl, your regular. I'm here guys. Thank you for all the love. I got your message. I went out for just a minute, guys. You guys were bombarding me with message. Are you okay? Where are you? But then I appreciate everything, your love, your concern. Thank you so much. Let me not blab too much. Let me just get straight to the business of today. Guys, today we are making Banga soup. This is a pan cream. Since we don't have the Banga fruits, this is the already processed one. This is the cream. This is it. I got this for about 1,005 Nigeria currency at an African shop. I'll be using my stock fish. This is how it came, so long. I just cut it into two halves. That's what we have here. I'll be using my beef, and I'll be using my catfish and crayfish, salt, onion, seasoning cubes. This is the Banga spice we have here. There's other one that looks like a powder. I couldn't get that, but this also smells nice, so I'll be using this as my Banga spice. Cameroon pepper. I couldn't find beretete, guys, so I used this scent leaf. You can also use scent leaf. And this is the starch I'll be using. We don't have that normal starch we have in Nigeria. This is the processed one that we have. It came in this powder form, so this is what I'll be using for my starch. So guys, let me not keep you waiting. Let's just go straight to the business of today. Yeah. guys, this has been boiling for some time. I would advise you, any food you are preparing like this banga, you allow the banga itself to get boiled before you add any ingredients, because if you just add ingredients immediately, the taste won't come out. The sour or the fresh taste has to go first before you add any other thing. Same with your stew. Please boil your tomatoes first or fry it properly before you put any of your spices, so the taste will come out. So water was here, if you remember, and now it has reduced drastically. I can confidently add my banga spice and my Cameroon pepper. So I'll allow this to boil again for some time. As you can see, it's for me a thick consistency. So now I'll just go ahead and add my ground crayfish, a lot, meat and its stock. Guys, our banga soup is ready. Can you see? I didn't add any other oil. It was the oil that came from the palm fronds. Guys, can you see this beauty? I can't wait to dive into it.